I'm gonna let my husband kick this one off.
I think in terms of old builds, we can withstand like heavy storm, hurricanes.
Well, we're not trying to put that to the test. Every time we went to visit new build properties, I would ask, how much is the ground rent? How much is the service charge? And all of them had them. When comparing the bedroom sizes, most of the time you would actually get a 3-bed, not a 2.5. Generally, there's still more space within the older properties. Any other pros you have for old builds?
The prices as well.
Obviously, all this that we're saying depends on location. So one of the pros of old builds is a con for you for new builds. With these new builds, they all look the same. They do. When you start looking at old build houses, guys, oh my gosh, you start noticing things.
They know everyone there. Like they've been there for throughout their life.
Yeah. And you want to be able to say that, you know, oh, this house is a 1960s house. Look at how they did the skirting boards and look at how they've tiled the roof.
These new builds, they use modern insulations. Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to go for old builds, don't really go for those ones really old, you know.
What if that's what they can afford?
Then be ready to spend some money.
You want something that's updated, you want something to boast about because it's got modern finishes and stuff. The new build is definitely your bet.
Lower maintenance costs.
Yeah, there is no chain. You can move in straight off the bat. The only person that is going to delay is probably you, or it could be your builder. But that's a con. We'll get to that.
The sizes of the plot. At the end of the day, you're gonna get a very tiny house.
It's not something that I would say is high cause for concern, but it's just something that you should know.
You are the one putting in my garden, eh?
Watch the new series Home on my YouTube channel.